How to keep gnats away from your face. Gnats often gather in places where warmth, moisture, and scent come together, and as someone steps outdoors or begins a simple task in the yard, these tiny insects can quickly become a persistent distraction. This video begins with a clear look at why gnats are drawn to the face, following natural breath moisture, sweat, and everyday fragrances, so viewers can understand the source of the problem before learning how to solve it. By recognizing what attracts them, it becomes easier to apply practical methods that prevent swarms from hovering near the eyes, nose, and mouth. With straightforward guidance and reliable, easy-to-follow steps, this introduction sets the stage for effective techniques that help keep gnats at a distance and allow anyone to move through outdoor tasks with greater comfort and confidence. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to limiting skin exposure, repelling gnats naturally, and avoiding the gnats. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Limiting skin exposure. Number 1. Wear a hat to keep the gnats out of your eyes, nose, and mouth. While this may not get rid of all of them, gnats often flock to the highest point on your body, so they may fly toward the hat instead of your mouth or nose. Choose a hat with a wide brim, baseball cap, or hat with a tall top. All of these work great to keep the gnats out of your face. This is a good idea if you are hanging out by the pool or enjoying a stroll through the park. When wearing a hat, you may want to use another option as well to keep gnats away. Number 2. Opt for a hat with mosquito netting so the gnats can't get to your face. These are hats that have a mosquito net lining around the brim. The net covers your face and neck, preventing any gnats from getting inside. Consider using a mosquito net hat while hiking in the woods, fishing in the creek, or doing yard work around your home. You can find hats with mosquito netting at most outdoor supply stores or online. Number 3. Put on sunglasses or safety goggles to keep gnats out of your eyes. An easy way to protect your eyes from gnats is to keep them covered with a pair of glasses. This way, you won't have to sweat the gnats out of your eyes while swimming, hiking, or relaxing. Regular eyeglasses also work well to block gnats. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Repelling gnats naturally. Number 1. Dab a bit of oil over your skin so the gnats don't fly toward you. You can use nearly any type of cooking oil to keep gnats away. Choose olive oil, coconut oil, or vegetable oil for instance. Then, soak a cotton ball in the oil, and dab it over your forehead, behind your ears, and down your neck. The oil masks your scent from the gnats so they are less likely to notice you. Dab your arms and legs for extra protection. In addition to oil, cooking spray also works well for this. Number 2. Try using an essential oil bug spray to keep the gnats at bay. Essential oils such as lemongrass, lavender, tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint work great to keep gnats out of your face. To make your own spray, fill a 4 ounces, 118 milliliters glass spray bottle about halfway with distilled water, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters of witch hazel, and 50 to 75 drops of any essential oil combination you'd like. Shake the mixture before spraying it over your arms and torso. If you do not dilute the essential oil, you can get burned if your skin is in the sun. Purchase 100% pure essential oils for best results. Number 3. Apply a bit of vanilla extract to your face to keep them away. In addition to oil, you can use vanilla as an insect repellent since gnats naturally shy away from vanilla extract. Pour 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, or so onto a cotton ball, and dab it over your forehead, behind your ears, and on your neck. Natural vanilla extract works the best, but imitation vanilla extract can also work well. Number 4. Sprinkle herbs or spices around your area to deter the gnats. Shake 1 to 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, garlic, pepper, salt, or cinnamon around your space. You may need more or less, depending on how large of an area you are using. Do this if you are relaxing on your patio or enjoying a backyard barbecue, for instance. Aim to have a light, even sprinkling of the spices on the ground around you. Number 5. Set vinegar and soap in a dish nearby so the gnats fly to it instead. Gnats are attracted to the smell of both vinegar and soap. If you leave some nearby, they will gravitate towards that instead of your face. Choose any sort of vinegar you'd like, and pour 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, into a small dish. Next, add 3 to 5 drops of soap, and set the dish on a table or on the ground nearby. The gnats get trapped in the liquid and cannot escape. Use dish soap, hand soap, or bar soap. If using bar soap, simply cut off a small piece or two and put it in the vinegar. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Avoiding the gnats. Number 1. Plan your outdoor activities on overcast, breezy days when possible. Before you go outside or plan your next adventure, look up the weather forecast online. Go outside on days when there's cloud cover and mild temperatures so you can enjoy the outdoors without worrying about gnats. Gnats are less likely to invade your space on cloudy, windy days since they prefer warm, humid environments. For example, choose to have your dirt bike trip, picnic, or backpacking trek on a cool, overcast day. Number 2. Avoid wearing fruity-smelling body products. Gnats love sweet-smelling lotions, creams, perfumes, body sprays, and deodorants. To keep them out of your face, try not to use these products when going outside. Choose products with no scent instead, or go without the product entirely. This way, the gnats don't bug you while you take a walk or lounge in a hammock, for instance. Number 3. Use insect repellent if all else fails. If you try some other options and are still plagued by gnats, spray a bit of insect repellent around your body before you head for the trail. Hold the can 3 to 4 in, 7.6 to 10.2 centimeters, away from you, and spray it over your arms, legs, and torso. However, keep in mind that insect repellents are made from harsh chemicals that can be harmful for humans, animals, and plants, so use this sparingly. Opt for the bug spray if none of the other methods work to keep the gnats at bay. This is a good idea if you are camping deep in the woods near a stagnant stream and there's a ton of gnats nearby. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Gnats are also known as fruit flies, grass flies, and gnats. 2. Gnats are attracted to decaying vegetation and human beings. In particular, they gravitate toward fruity, sweet scents, body heat, moisture, and mucus. 3. Fortunately, once the temperature cools down, gnats naturally go away. If all else fails, tough it out for a few more weeks and the gnats will be gone by the fall. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce gnats infestations. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy, see you in the next video.